Good morning, children. Children, in our today's class, we will start exercise 4.3, and in exercise 4.3 students, we will discuss new topic, and the topic is negative or additive inverse of rational number. Students, negative, as you know, with the minus sign. Negative or additive inverse of a rational number is a rational number when we are adding in the given rational number that give us 0. Okay students, suppose here the given rational number is p upon q. The given rational number is p upon q, then its negative or additive inverse will be minus p upon q. Or suppose students the given rational number is minus p upon q, then its negative or additive inverse will be p upon q. Conclusion, we can say the sum of additive inverse of a rational number and the rational number will be 0. Like p upon q, when p upon q and its negative, you will add minus p upon q. Then it will be p upon q plus minus p upon q, it will be 0. So students, the negative and additive inverse of rational number will be, if p upon q is given, minus p upon q. If minus p upon q is given, this is p upon q. Students, now exercise 4.3 and question number 1, that is subtraction. Same as we have done in the addition, we will start in the subtraction. Now part 1 is 2 upon 5 we are to subtract from 3 upon 2. So students, answer will be 3 upon 2 and minus 2 upon 5. Here as you can see, denominators are different, so directly we will take LCM. LCM of 2 and 5, LCM of 2 and 5, it will be 10. LCM will be 10. Students, here 3 upon 2 is given, downside you are to make 10. That method also you can do, and this method also. LCM is 10. Now this 2 first will divide 10. 2 5s are 10, then 5 multiplied by 3, it will be 15 minus. Now 5 divide 10 divide by 5. First 10 divide by 2, then 5. Now 5 multiplied by 3, 15. Again 10 divided by 5, then 2 is your answer. Now 2 multiplied 2, this is 4. And your answer will be 11 upon 10. So part 1 subtraction we have done. One more part. Part 2, minus 14 upon 5 subtract from minus 7 upon 20. Both are given in with minus sign. Now minus 7 upon 20, then we are to subtract, then minus 14 upon 5. Now students, here minus 7 upon 20 will be same. Now minus and minus will be plus 14 upon 5. Now denominators are different. Take LCM. LCM will be 20. Now 20 divided by 20, this is 1. So 1 multiplies 7 minus 7, it will be minus 7. Now plus sign, 20 divided by 5. So 5 4s are 20. Now 4 multiplied by 40, 14, 56. Now student, 56 minus and plus will be minus 7 minus from 56. It will be students 49 upon 20 will be same, and the sign of 49 will be positive, as 56 is the greater number. Students, now part 3, minus 6 subtract from minus 4 upon 9, then minus 4 upon 9 minus, then minus 6 upon 1 we will write. Then here also minus 4 upon 9 plus 6 upon 1, then your LCM will be 9. Now 9 divided by 9 one time, then minus 4 multiply by 1 minus 4, then plus 1 divided by 9 9 times. Now 6 9s are 54. Then your answer will be 50 upon 9, because minus and plus will be minus. 54 minus 4, it will be 50, then downside 9, and the sign of 54 will come, that is positive. Now students, question number second, that is fill in the blanks. 6 upon 10 plus minus 10 upon 11, then here is equals to, then this blank is given, then downside 11. So student, first of all we will solve this. My plus and minus, it will be minus 6 upon 11 minus 10 upon 11. Afterwards you can say 11 11. Denominators are same, so LCM will be same 11. Then same digits will come upside. Now here 6 is with the plus sign and here minus. So plus and minus, again minus, 10 minus 6, 4, then downside 11, and sign of 4 will be minus because 10 is the greater number. So in this blank what will come student? Minus 4. This minus 4 is your answer. Now next one, minus 4 upon 7 minus, this blank is given, then 7, then 3 upon 7. Here students, here we are to find out the digits. So what we will do here, minus 4 upon 7, then this 3 upon 7 will come this side, left hand side, then minus 3 upon 7, and this blank with 7 will go that side. So this minus will be plus. So only blank and downside 7. And because 3 upon 7 was with a plus sign, so here it came with the negative sign. Now again LCM is 7. Now minus 4 minus 3. Now student, minus minus, minus and minus will be plus. Then 4 plus 3, 7. Downside also 7. And the sign of greater number will come. So minus 7 upon 7 is your answer. So in this blank, what will come? Minus 7. So like this students, by taking LCM and plus and minus, you are to operate and you can find the find your answer. In student part third, minus 16 upon 5 plus blank is given, then is equals to 0. This, the value of this blank we will find, so it will remain here, and then minus 16 upon 5 we can transfer right hand side. So this blank and blank will come here as it is, then 0. This is it with minus sign. When it will go opposite side, then it will be with plus sign. 16 upon 5, then 0 plus 16 upon 5, it will be 16 upon 5, and this will be your answer. So student, here 16 upon 5 will come, and if you will observe, this is 16 upon 5 rational number, and this is negative of or additive inverse of rational number. As I told in the beginning of the class, when you will add sum and its additive inverse, the sum will be 0. Okay students, now question number 3. Students, now question number 3, that is evaluate. In this question we will do two operations together, addition and subtraction. As you can see here, 2 upon 3 plus 6 upon 7 plus 3 upon 14. First of all we will see denominators are different, so I have taken LCM here of 3, 7 and 14, and the LCM is 42. Okay students, now the LCM is 42. So first of all, 42 I will divide with the 3. So it will be 3 ones are 3, and then 3 fours are 12. 14 will be your answer. Now 14 multiplied by 2, it will be 28. Then plus, when you will divide 42 by 7, it will be 6. Because 7 6 are 42. Then 6 multiplied 6, it will be 36. Then minus 14 3s are 42. Then 3 multiplied by 3, it will be 9. Now students, 28 is with the plus sign and 36 is also with the plus sign. So 28 plus 36, it will be 64. Then minus 9, downside 42. Both are having plus sign, that's why 28 plus 36. Now minus 9, it will be 55 upon 42. This is your answer. Student, now part second of question number third, minus 4 upon 25 minus 3 upon 5 minus 7 upon 10. First of all, I have opened the bracket, then minus and minus will be plus. rest sign will be same. Now 25, 5 and 10 denominators are different, and when you will take LCM of 25, 5 and 10, it will be 50. Directly I have written LCM here because now you are able to do LCM. Now the LCM is 50. First of all, 50 divided by 25, that is 2. Now 2 multiplied by 8, 2 multiplied by 4, minus 8. Then plus sign, 5 tens are 50 and 3 tens are 30. Then minus 10 divided by 50, 5 times, 7 fives are 35. Now students, again what you will do, minus and plus. Minus 30 minus 8, it will be 22 with positive sign because 30 is having plus sign. Then minus 35 downside 50. Again plus and minus, it will be minus 35 minus 22, it will be 13, then downside 50, and then sign of 13 will be minus because 35 is having minus sign. So students, in our today's class, in exercise 4.3, question 1, 2 and 3 we have done. Now you can do these questions all part in your math register. Okay class, thank you and have a nice day all.